name nyo? What is your name?
Leia.
Leia. What is your name?
Hi, I'm Pilita.
Pelita and Leia. Kasama ko si Pilita Corrales. Sila po ang makakasama natin sa boat. Okay lang? Okay. Sige. Pwedeng i-tour mo ako dyan. Okay. So, ito yung boat. And this is the drive.
Ito si Kap mag-drive.
Sino si Captain?
Siya si Captain.
That's the Captain.
Roberto.
Saan dito yung nagsasplash-splash yung water doon?
Doon.
So, dapat dito lang ako. Saan kayong uupo?
Dito ka magluluto.
Ay, magluluto ka? Magluluto sila! Ayan.
Gano lang po
What are you doing? You're cooking. You're gonna cook here. Ano pong lulutuin nyo?
Pakbet.
Pakbet?
Tsaka inihaw na isda.
Sarap. So, that's good. Sarap po. Lunch po yan, lunch. Okay, pagbutihin mo ang pagluluto. Sige po.
Pasaba kami sa mga English na.
Sige, kaya mo yan.
Maybe 40.
Just in case I die, I have a lot of oxygen.
Ed? Yeah, Ed. Oh, Michael, nice to meet you. Michael? Yes.
He's the dive master. Ay, kuya!
Yeah, sure.
Kamusta?
Well, on your end. You have two dive masters on board, so me and also Kevin. Kevin, right? Michael, nice to meet you.
Kevin.
Yeah. So you have to dive with your dive watch.
So we dive with time, not with air.
No, if deep diving, yes, just dive with air and time. But if it's shallow dive, like for the beginners, so we just dive with air. Okay.
Okay. They're the experts. Happy birthday to me. My birthday is going to be 2 days from now. I like this vest. It has a whistle. Opo, nagpapanggap lang po ang Korean. No, ang Pilipino. Hindi po.
Filipino po?
Opo. So you've been diving for 8 years?
Yes, for 8 years.
Wow. I've been diving for 0 years. Ano na ginagawa mo dyan?
Nagsusunog siya ng baga. Kasi malalaki, iniwa-hiwa ko. Nagsusunog siya ng kilay.
Pinakbit. Pagkain ng Ilocano.
Sarap na may bagoong.
Oo.
Walang bagoong, walang...
Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary! Yeah.
Nang ano? Nang...
Shipwreck po.
Congratulations! How many years?
74 years.
Oh, wow!
Shipwreck.
Ate Marisa, how are you?
Hello! Welcome to the 74th anniversary of our shipwrecks, World War II.
Wow!
First dive for Miss Catherine.
Sige po, Ate Marisa, I'm looking forward to it.
Okay.
Tingnan mo naman ang hair. Oh my gosh! The boat is burning. We're on fire. He is the master instructor. I like your shirt. Where did you get that?
This one,
Shop? I like that. I want one.
boat there. So if your license, next time you can go here.
How do I get license?
You can do here.
How do I get license?
It's,
the clipping to change
yeah. No, they ask
How do I get license?
license.
Yeah.
So we do the course here.
Ibas
It's
is
19.
What's the membership of the
Thousand paddy.
body?
Paddy is
Biggest.
highest standard in diving.
Yeah.
And the skills and the teaching all good.
So, 19,000 pesos.
19. But we can give it
19,000 for license.
17
Okay.
for this teaching. Yeah.
Do we do
Because
that
you're-
after this or no?
Yeah, you can do if you have still time.
So, I have license. So, I
No,
can
no,
get
no.
license.
Now you can.
I mean, later on.
Later
For the
on.
19,000.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. That's
For this dive, no license. Because
Yes, I know.
only
no
try.
license.
That's experience.
I wanna have license in
Okay,
diving.
good.
Yeah. 2, 3.
Haba na ng
Yes, I
video.
heard about that.
Hindi pa tayo nakaalis.
Palis na ako na.
You're gonna
Libre po.